Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable to Slack for project updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your Airtable account in a web browser. Navigate to the base you want to connect with Slack. In the top right corner, click on the Apps button. If you don't see the Apps button, ensure you have permission to add apps to the base. Once the Apps window opens, click on Add an app in the app gallery, search for Slack. Select the Slack app from the list of available options. Click on the Install button to add the Slack app to your Airtable base. Next, you will be prompted to log in to your Slack account. Authorize Airtable to connect with your Slack workspace. Choose the Slack channel where you'd like project updates to be sent. Set the parameters for the updates you want, such as new records or record updates. You can customize the message that will be sent to Slack. Once you've configured the settings, click on Save. Test the integration by making a change in your Airtable base. Check the selected Slack channel to see if the update appears. If everything looks good, you're ready to use Airtable and Slack together. Monitor your project updates directly in Slack for seamless communication. Now, you can easily keep your team informed with real-time updates. Enjoy managing your projects more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.